morning to all. And this company started by 3 friends in 2002. This company is Accupack Engineering Private Limited. My name is Uneecops. We started with a single vision of focusing on the pharma packaging segment. In the beginning, we understood more than the business, more than the product, the process are so important. So we hired an ISO consultant when we were only 4 employees in the organization. Through the ISO consultant, we understood the methodology, the mechanism, the process which we need to follow, everything. So we started to maintain registers, sheet, Excel sheet, everything with a kind of numbers on it. When the company becomes 50, 60 people organizations, we understood that now we can't live with no more with the registers and all this kind of stuff. We thought something we need to invest which is beyond our capacity, so that capacity, that investment would make us to build these organizations. So we invested on SAP B1. We made the life of the people so simple by integrating the department and bringing almost all the data from the register to the systems, and we are absolutely following everything in SAP B1. And the vision of Accupack is this: to bring an Indian MNC in the pharma packaging segment. That's the vision of Accupack. With that, we are moving so forward, and we always believe digitalization, process, and all kind of stuff. This is the vision of Accupack. In the beginning, when people were working without SAP, they were working in isolated way. People are not able to understand. And in fact, in the beginning, we customized some of our requirement also in SAP B1. It means that everything got connected with each other, and it's a kind of a train which is moving forward with an engine. SAP become an engine. People are getting connected with this kind of systems. People can see what is there in the system. They can forward, they can release. So all kind of systems are there already. So I would say that as a business purpose, it helped the organization to simplify the working process, and even some of the bombs and some of the standardization, which help the organization to avoid all kind of mistakes. And further to say that even today, if we need any kind of aging or check release, I still remember the day where we stopped giving the manual check and taking out the check from the SAP B1. We clapped that day. We still remember that. It's remarkable, because before that people made payment to the same party by naming the particular vendor name, but 2 times, 3 times. We are not aware. Now through the implementation of SAP B1, we are releasing a check, and that check is only one because the system is giving the payment. So it's absolutely an awesome day. Every implementation we clapped a lot when we take out the data from the SAP. Of course, much more benefits are there, and I can say that time we saved. And of course, the quality of the data we saved, integration with the people we saved, the process we took out. Even we are also referring some of the even shortfalls also. There are some dashboards. There the materials of shortfalls are getting reflected. That is also helping the people to just focus on the shortfalls and do the review and finish the bid. So this kind of benefits, it's an everyday process which we are enjoying with the SAP one. Of course, I would say that anybody wants to make their organization so big, like a globalization, they should first think about the process, which is so important. I know process, people and product are important, but I think process is so important for the scalability, for all kind of globalization means you need to invest on the process. So when you think about the process, automation, digitalization, this is must important. And there you need to go for SAP kind of ERP, and especially the people who already spend so much of time into it, and we have to get associated with those kind of people because it's a huge team. So till in the last 2 years, I believe that the Uneecops got Infinite, and we are enjoying the associations because whatever support we want, and we are really getting that support from Uneecops. And however, as a customer, my expectations are always going to be on the higher side, and so I would say that I need much more support than what did I get in the past.
lean, innovative, visual, engaging. Uneecops, building live enterprises.